Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Welcome back again my YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope you people are pretty fine. So dear viewers, today you will see in this video very beautiful and stylish. You will see in this videos modern, unique girls pop with pink haircuts designs. Public and attractive, you will see in this videos unique girls pop with pink haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas. So dear viewers, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos. And you will never miss any videos and any collections of my channel. Today you will see in this videos very beautiful and outstanding front, back and sided pose bob haircuts with pink haircuts designs. So guys, I might suggest it, just keep on watching these videos till the end. So dear viewers, if you like my videos, so viewers please download it my videos and you like this one stylish haircuts design, hair colors and hairstyles ideas. So viewers, please tell me in the comment section. In the comment section to tell me how was my videos. So lovely viewers, so dear viewers, so lovely viewers, you will see in this videos modern bob with pink haircuts design, front, back and sided pose bob with pink haircuts designs. So dear viewers, if you like my videos, so viewers please download it my videos and like this one unique haircut design. So take a screenshot and save your mobile. So guys, I might suggest it, just keep on watching these videos till the end.